Hello, today we have a Golf 6 and we have the error 000665 boost pressure regulation, and as you can see the engine light is on. The car loses power and doesn't run like before. This error tells us that we have problems with the turbo actuator. I found the actuator rod from the turbo is out of position. I mounted the turbo actuator rod back and started the car to be sure everything is fine. Now I will delete the error with VCDS. I was lucky and did not have to change the actuator. But in some cases, if the rod is not jumped, this turbo actuator must be changed with a new one. Now everything is fine and the car is running again as before without any errors in the dashboard.